Hi everyone and welcome as you join us while we take a mooch around this small sleepy village here in the Vendée.
Down there.
$19.90. We just can do the next one. That is the artist who restored this, Raphael. Amazing. Now we are going over to the church. Again, look at how amazing that church is. Something you do get in these French villages is the most amazing art and things like churches. And you're just driving around and you just go from village to village and this sort of thing you find. Oh, that's another physical geocache found. Yeah?
The main front. How many stained glass windows in the main facade? This is the only one.
I think. Yeah, we're gonna go in car. We need to go in car, I think. Shall? Well, another geocache eluded us today. We've spent 10 minutes looking for it and around this area and we cannot find it anywhere. Ooh, good part though. Okay, so we made it round to the creperie that's shut, and then we've gone and done a geocache in this location here next to the park. Standing in the shade because it's actually getting really warm now, it's like 28 degrees. So now we're going to walk back to finish the lab off because there's 2 more stages to do. Shall we? Okay, so we've gone past the park and there's some people having a picnic. I just want to show you, this is where the river is, and that's where the lake is and where the water would flow, but it doesn't seem like there's any water flowing at the moment. Well, not over the top anyway. Oh, there is, it's coming from down here. Water's running down there, look at this. Yeah. Another thing you find in France, which I really love, you just don't get in England, is open gardens like this. So we've got a beautiful little open garden here. It's a beautiful little village, this I've got to say. And we have fresh water. Fresh water. Hi everyone, well thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more videos and check out our playlist from the Vendée.